Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2009 Bobcat S220. This is a K series. This would be the last of the Ks. So S220, S250, S300, all the same frame machine. Anything different was the boom. These are radius lift boom. Machine has just 2,100 hours on it. Back corners, everything there is original. This was all scratched up down here. We did paint both sides of that in the front portions of the boom. Just because the machine is in very nice shape. Does have about 50% tires on it. We did not replace them because there's still some running left in them. There's no oil leaks. This is a pre-admissions machine. We're going to start you back here in the engine compartment like we always do and take you completely around the machine. Back door we did paint because it was faded. This is going to be powered by a Kubota. It should be the V3800T. Yes, it is. 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. These are a incredible motor. I've had some of these 16,000 hours on them, never been touched. They're just a tremendous motor. Matter of fact, I mean, this whole skid steer setup, as far as I was concerned, was always a tremendous setup. We really never had any problems with them. Basic, normal maintenance stuff. We sold a pile of them over the years, and I miss this kind of stuff. This will still have some black smoke, and there'll be some keyboard warrior right there on YouTube. Oh, that motor has an EGR. Yeah, it does, right here. We've never, ever opened one of those up. We've never had a problem with an EGR on these. It was just like a bypass type deal. Again, 3800T. I'd put that engine up against a Cummins any day of the week, like a 4BT. Just a tremendous engine. They're 75 horsepower in the 220s. Same engine was in the 300, T300, S300. They were 81. Just has to do with your governor speed. So up here is going to be for your cooling, hydraulic, and radiator overflow. Back door shuts good. Again, back corners all match. There are no cylinder leaks. Cab is all original in the paint. Cab. Put a brand new CID 72-inch heavy-duty long bottom bucket on. Quick attach is good and tight. Auxiliary hydraulics front end attachments. Seat is in like brand new condition as a suspension style seat. Cab's good and straight. Just a really good, clean old machine. But remember, these old, the G series and the K series, they're gone. It's a shame, that that's the way directions of things have went. These are just a very tough machine compared to your newer stuff. Does have auto level on it, 2100.7 hours. It is not a high flow, it is a standard flow machine. Machine again, starts, runs, works excellent, standard controls. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up and run it around and show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. 2009 Bobcat S220 rubber powered skid steer loader. Machine starts, runs excellent, 2100 hours. Very good, clean machine. Again, we did paint that bottom and on the fronts of the loader arms. There again, that's me preserving the machine. I'm trying to keep stuff nice. But we've done a full, complete service. All filters and oils have been changed, and it is ready to go to work. I guarantee my stuff will be 110% the way we advertise it. Not out to hide anything at all. That's why we take the time to do these videos. There's no oil leaks. It's not welded or busted up. If you have any questions, remember these machines are going, they're gone. And you just can't find this pre-emission stuff nice anymore. That machine on average days got 4,000 to 5,000 hours. So, again, any questions, please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, I'm Nick Miller, and thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. I can be reached again at 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day.